Slice tool in Photoshop. You can find it under the crop tool. By default, the activated icon is the crop tool, but once you right click on it, you can find the slice tool. You can see that there's a dot on the crop tool. That means that's the activated crop tool. You can press C and it will activate the crop tool because it has a dot on it. So click on the slice tool to activate it. Right click on it. As you can see, the dot is already in the slice tool. So you can press C now for the shortcut to activate slice tool, or you can switch with the tools to be activated by holding the Shift C. Keep pressing the Shift C, so it will switch to the tool, or right click and choose slice tool. Now we are going to illustrate the slice tool. Slice tool cuts an image into smaller sections suitable for web design. Most of slice tool is used mostly in creating website for dividing the banners. So let's illustrate the slice tool. We are going to slice this cup. So in order to slice, click and drag to the next point. As you can see, it shows also the width and height pixel. Then release the click and it will create a slice, and it has a border of yellow. That means this is the user or manual slice that we created, and there's also outside of it, which is the auto-generated slice, and all slices are numbered from left top to the bottom right. The number 1 is on this, and number 2 is on this. Number 3, which is the manual slice, and the rest auto-generate slice. So you can create this slice. You can also slice this using the normal. You can also use the fixed aspect ratio. When you, let's say, press Ctrl Z first to revert it back, say we are going to use the fixed aspect ratio. Let's say we are going to create an aspect ratio of width 3 and height of 1. Then start slicing. As you can see, it will create that ratio. Let's say if I create a small slice here, it will also create that ratio. Say 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1 here. So that's the fixed aspect ratio of slice tool. What you can do also is to use the fixed size. Let's say you have a fixed or a size of, let's say, 100 pixel, or let's say 200 pixel by 200 pixel, and you want to slice this with that fixed size. So it's just this. You can also create another here. You can just click and it will create with that size. Let's Ctrl Z to cancel it. Let's Ctrl Z. You can slice also by right clicking and create a divide slice. Let's say we want to slice through horizontally. Click on the divide horizontally info and create, let's say, 3 or 4 slice horizontally, and let's create a vertical slice of 3. As you can see, there's a 3 vertical slice and 4 horizontal slices, and click OK. As you can see, divide slices will create a manual or a user slice rather than the auto-generated slice. So that's another way to slice your image in Photoshop. What you can do also, let's say you have another image. Let's say for this, we have two layers in the same canvas, and I want to slice this canvas based on the layer. What I can do is select this first image, which is this one. Click on the move tool. This is the one that's selected, the below. Now I want to slice this. In order to slice it, go to layer, under layer, select the new layer base slice and click on it, and it will create that layer as a slice image. It will also auto-generate slice the other layer, but if you want to create this as a user slice or manual slice, go to the same option, layer, new layer base slice. So it will create a manual slice. So let's go back to the first image. Let's say you want to save your slices. Let's create first slices, or no, Control Z. Let's create a normal slice. So I want to slice this, manual slice, also this, the apple, also this slice. You can resize this or adjust this by moving this. So I have 3 manual slice. I can export this by going to File and clicking on the Export and Save for Web, and a dialog box will pop up. You can reduce the or zoom out by clicking this zoom level, so we can see the slice image. You can select the one that you want to be saved. Let's say I want to save this slice, so select on that and click Save, or by default the file extension is GIF. You can change it into JPEG and click Save. Now change or locate the file where you want to save it. Say I want to save it here in this folder. Then make sure you select the image only, and the settings, default settings, change it to leave it default settings. The slices, selected slices, so whatever the selected one will be saved there in the folder you located, or you can choose the all user slices, which is the all users, the 3 all user slices here. So let's do that, or we are just going first for the selected slice and click Save. Now we are going to look for that image, for that sliced image. So this is the sliced image. Now we are going to try the selected user slice. Go to File, Export, then Save for Web. Zoom it out so we can see it. And save it as JPEG. Select the JPEG and click Save. Now choose the all user slices and click Save. Since we sliced the first one already, so we are going to replace it. So let's check that out. As you can see, we have 3 slices of image here. So that's how you use a slice tool in Photoshop. So I hope this video tutorial helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.